Shalom, shalom, everyone. This is Ahavaya, the Kosher Vegan, and today is all about protein, part 2 in our How to Go Vegan series. Now, the first thing that I want to mention about vegan protein is that all plants contain protein. Yes, all. Not some, not most of them, not a lot of them, all of them. Next thing I want to talk about is complete protein. A complete protein contains all 9 essential amino acids listed here. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below this video. Now, the reason why they're called essential amino acids is because we can't make them on our own, so we have to eat them. And yes, it is entirely possible to get all 9 essential amino acids on a vegan diet. Ergo, it is entirely possible to get adequate protein on a vegan diet. And a little fun fact, vegans tend to have higher blood levels of protein than people who are not vegan. Just something to think about. Now let's talk about pairing. Legumes such as beans, lentils, and peas tend to be high in the amino acid lysine, but low in the amino acid methionine. However, grains and potatoes tend to be high in the amino acid methionine, but low in lysine. Now, if you eat adequate amounts of these together throughout the day, you will get sufficient protein each day. So, whenever you decide you want to have some lentil soup, throw in some brown rice or some oven roasted potatoes. Whenever you decide that you want to have some beans, you can have them with some whole grain tortillas and some vegetables and make fajitas. The possibilities are endless. Not only that, but beans and rice is the healthiest meal known to man and the cheapest. So sometimes going vegan can save you money. Now here's a list of plants that contain all 9 essential amino acids by themselves. And here is a list of vegetables with a surprising amount of protein. And here is a list of grains and mushrooms that have protein as well. And last but not least, fruit contain protein. I know it's surprising. Most people think about fruit and they think about sugar, but some fruit is a good source of protein. Even bananas contain 2 grams of protein. So, eat your fruits. And let's not forget that nuts, seeds, and nut butters can be excellent sources of vegan protein as well. So the next thing I want to talk about is how much protein you need each day. If you are a male couch potato, you need 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. If you are a male bodybuilder, you need 1.4 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. If you are a male endurance trainer, that means running or doing triathlon-like events, then you need 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. And if you are a man trying to lose weight, you need 2.3 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. So why do you need extra protein if you're trying to lose weight? Well, whenever you're losing weight, you're losing body mass. Mostly what we want to lose is fat. However, if you do not consume enough protein, then you will start to lose muscle. So you need to consume extra protein to maintain your muscle. Next, let's talk about the ladies. If you are a female couch potato, you need 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. If you are a female bodybuilder, you need 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. If you are a female endurance trainer, you need 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight. If you are a female trying to lose weight, you need 1.7 grams of protein per per kilogram of body weight. If you are pregnant, you need 1.1 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. If you are an active pregnant lady, you need 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. If you are breastfeeding, you need 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. And for every extra 5 ounces of breast milk that you produce, you need an extra serving of protein. In my research, I didn't find an actual calculation. It simply said to eat an extra serving of protein. So there's an excuse for you to eat more. Now, on to our favorite subject, children! A child between the ages of 1 and 3 years old needs 1.1 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. A child between the ages of 4 and 8 years old needs 0.95 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. A child between the ages of 9 and 13 years old needs 0.95 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. An adolescent between the ages of 14 and 18 years old needs 0.85 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. And of course, if your children are extra active, you can always add an extra serving of protein. All right, thank you. You guys have been wonderful today. Our next video is going to be all about fiber in the How to Go Vegan series. And as always, I'm kosher, I'm vegan, I am the kosher vegan. Shalom, everybody.